Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever we are, saan man sulok ng mundo, kumusta? Kayo mga guys, how's everybody? Andito na naman tayo mag-shout out sa mga sumusuport sa aking silent live streaming for my WH, and to those who support me here in my small YouTube channel, and to those watching my simple videos, thank you so much. And of course, first of all, shout out sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Chard, anak, ingat ka lagi dyan. At sa lahat ng aking kapatid, mga relatives, mga friends, shout out sa inyong lahat. At syempre sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, shout out sis, ingat ka lagi din dyan. Ako yung nagsa-silent live, pinapaspasan ko para ma-monetize ulit ako. At kaya hindi tayo nakaka-video call. Shout out sis, Juliet and Vlog, all the way from Kuwait City, aking kapatid guys. And of course, shout out, I would like to thank all of you guys, especially to those who always supporting me. Patrice Variety Vlogs of BT, thank you Sisi. Sihan Arda, shout out Sihan Arda. Tandoori Trails, thank you. Soils TV, Masayahin Vlogger, thank you. Haider Shamari, thank you. Living Music India, thank you. Les Ondes do Cover, muchas gracias, no, or mi amigo. Buenos días. Thank you for support. And DJ Reno Show, thank you, DJ Reno Show. And Sisikoy Cat Piano, thank you. Mateo Whittington, thank you. The Drifter PH, thank you. Gen Cute Support, thank you. Sisikoy Susana G, thank you. Sikoy Lauren Director, DSNH Vlogs, Namaste, Shukriya Baya, Sowelos TV, Antonio, thank you, and Leah DeSantis, thank you so much for supporting me, those who support my silent live streaming, and in my latest videos, thank you so much. And of course, I would like to thank, big thanks to Sisikoy Lauren Director, Sisikoy Job Sinaway, Sisikoy Nana Ani YTC, Sisikoy Mayerski channel, and to those, to all my Sisikoy, thank you so much. And Art Pabin 1 and Art Pabin 2, thank you, and shout out also. Kat Fitri channel, all the way from Indonesia, Terima kasih, my sister, my friend. And Tantran channel, shout out, thank you sister also for supporting me. And of course, to all of you guys who's watching my simple videos, supporting me, at saka mga naka-BG sa ating mga live at saka silent live streaming. Thank you so much guys. At ito, nakikinig ako kanina kay Sisikoy Lauren Director, magpo-for good na sa next year. Ako, wala pa akong balak kasi wala naman akong gagawin sa Pilipinas guys. Alam niyo naman, single tayo, so dito muna tayo habang kaya pang magtrabaho, habang hindi pa tayo gurang naman na tayo, pero hindi pa masyado, so pwede pa. So shout out sa inyong lahat. Pare ko Yumage channel, shout out. Tolten King OFW, all the way from Saudi Arabia. Since ko yung agdag-vlog at konse. And ading Samuhing TV, Code Samuhing TV, shout out, ading ko. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa lahat. Pero big thanks for your supporting me. And may God bless Allah, bless us all. Rose the Melon Valley, on the way from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Mabuhay! PDP laban, please vote straight. Duterte 10, PDP laban. Siyempre, andyan ang extra natin si Ma'am Camille Villar at saka si Ma'am Amy Marcos. Shout out to all ko Duterte supporters, solid Duterte supporters. Vote straight, PDP laban. And of course, andyan sila Sir Senator Bongo, Sir Senator Bato de la Rosa, Sir Philip Salvador, Sir Rodante Marcoleta, Sir Apollo Kibuloy, and Sir Jimmy Bondo, at iba pa. And please, vote straight, Duterte 10, PDP laban. Thank you, and God bless us all.